So here's a tip on how I thread my bobbin. Go from the bottom up, across and down 2 holes. I get it in there, hold down the top, make sure it doesn't come out. Hold on, I'm trying to pull it out, yo. Alright, make sure it doesn't come out. Right across the top. For those who can't see, let me bring it in a little closer. Right across the top, hold it down, put it in. Got this in my hand. Let it go. Pull it snug. Just let it go, let it do a thing. Normally when I have events and I'm super busy trying to sew, this is like the fastest way for me to thread it. Of course, when you pull this out, any excess whatever, just cut it off and your bobbin is ready to go. Your bobbin is ready to go. Okay.